Welcome back. Relax comfortably with a gentle smile. Are you tired of feeling stiff, dealing with nagging back pain, and constantly struggling with stubborn belly fat? Today, we will unlock your body's healing potential to soothe your spine and naturally burn belly fat away. Step into a comfortable lunge and let your arms swing gently and smoothly. Breathe in softly as your arms rise up, and breathe out comfortably as they swing back down. This flowing motion instantly releases shoulder stiffness, melts away belly fat, and gently aligns your spine to efficiently relieve lower back pain. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Lift your heels gently and swing both arms up and down together smoothly. Breathe in softly as your hands float high above, and breathe out comfortably as they swing down past your hips. This beautiful, unified flow naturally burns belly fat, reduces joint stiffness, and gently stretches your upper spine to melt away nagging back pain. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Stand tall and comfortable. Reach your arms straight up smoothly, then lower them down to the sides perfectly flat. Breathe in gently as your fingers reach toward the sky, and breathe out softly as you expand your chest sideways. This opening movement instantly targets belly fat reduction, opens your lower back to relieve stiffness, and significantly improves your balance. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Lower yourself gently into a comfortable squat as you raise your arms and pull them down smoothly. Breathe in softly as you stretch your hands upward, and breathe out comfortably as you bend your knees and pull down. This nurturing movement effectively melts away stubborn lower belly fat, releases pressure from your spine to soothe back pain, and leaves your body feeling lighter. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go. Stand with your feet comfortably wide and sink into a gentle side stretch, keeping your spine relaxed. Breathe out softly as you reach down toward your toes, and breathe in gently as you return. This smooth stretch instantly releases lower back pain, deeply stimulates your core to burn belly fat, and comfortably reduces hip stiffness. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go. Stand comfortably tall, slowly lifting your heels while keeping your upper body completely relaxed. Breathe in softly as your arms cross and float above your head, and breathe out smoothly as they circle back down. This beautiful flow naturally burns belly fat, gently stretches the spine to relieve back pain, and safely improves your balance. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go. Sink into a comfortable half squat, keeping your lower body stable. Breathe out as you turn your torso to the side, and breathe in as you return to the center. This twist effectively targets belly fat, massages the spine to relieve back pain, and releases stiffness in your core. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go. Lift your heels gently and comfortably, keeping your shoulders completely relaxed and free. Breathe in softly as you reach your arms straight out smoothly, and breathe out comfortably as you glide them back. This calming rhythm releases upper back pain, melts fat around your waist and abdomen, and beautifully supports your circulation and balance. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Keep your feet flat and firmly grounded, allowing your upper body to loosen and relax completely. Breathe smoothly as your arms swing softly up and down, gently engaging your waist and abdomen. This effortless flow efficiently burns away stubborn belly fat, releases deep tension to soothe back pain, and leaves you feeling lighter. If you feel more relaxed, lighter, and free from stiffness, please subscribe, like, and comment below to support our healing journey. Thank you for practicing with me.